Howdy partners, so here I am cutting the first tender leaves of the spinach. I planted this on the 13th of March, it's about a month ago, 17th today, and I can take a few leaves off now as it's getting going well, and in another week it'll reach tipping point, which means I won't be able to eat the stuff quick enough. And I guess it works exponential, like a virus. There's so many things growing at the same time, and after a certain amount of time the amount starts doubling until it starts to seed. And what I'm going to do here is just take some leaves, and I'm making curry tonight, and we'll just put this in with the curry just to give it a bit of an extra amount of vitamins. And the funny thing is, I planted these spinach about the same time as this COVID thing really kicked off, and incredibly every single day it's been sunny, blue sky, no rain, high temperatures, so I think that's why it's grown so quick. But uncannily warm. It's been almost like Mediterranean, and that's in mid-April to mid-March to mid-April. I think it's still too early for slugs, because I haven't seen any slugs about, and it's bone dry outside. But it's usually okay in the greenhouse with slugs, because they don't get in here really. That'll be enough now, just a bit to make the curry a bit more interesting. Oops. This is lettuce, which is coming up nicely. I don't know, it might take a couple of weeks till we can start plucking it off, separate leaves for lettuce. And now we've got I have to look at an old video to see what these are now. Courgettes, coming along nice, and they're peppers, I think. Oh no, tomatoes. They're just popping up now. And yep, nothing coming there yet. I think that's the peppers in there. So we're going to get these leaves and curries on the stove now, on the back burner, on the low light. Then I'll just throw in these bits of spinach as a little added ingredient. Have a great day.